This is Megan Say, and you are viewing the homepage of my HTML, my online portfolio. Soon you will be seeing some clips of the user testing that I had done. It's video on my iPad, and the changes that I made to some of the problems and suggestions that my user tester made. And my user tester was Katie Frisch, and she is a graphic design major. So I thought that she would be very beneficial in viewing my website because she has a lot of experience with web design and also using the iPad.
Look at that, University. That's pretty sleek. National Center for Catholic National Catholic Center for Holocaust Education. That's very interesting.
Yes, my internship.
That's very important, useful details there. Oh, contact. How do I do that?
Got my emails.
Woo, right there. Huh?
Yeah, I don't have a link for that yet.
Oh, I'm just working on that.
During my user testing with Katie, I noticed that whenever she went to my contact page, she kept clicking on or tapping on my email addresses, expecting something to come up, and I didn't even think about making a link to that. I just assumed people could type it in, but I actually thought it was a really good idea. And in our last class, Dr. Jers showed us the examples of that JQ Touch, and it had a link to an email where you clicked on the email and it just came up to the MacBook, email site. And I thought that I would try that it was a very good idea. So right now I'm in my contact page. This is the code for my contact page. So right now I'm going to type in that code. Okay, well, let's see if that works. Save it. As you can see, again, it has the little arrow here in this bar, which suggests that you can tap on it. And, oh, voila! Welcome to mail. So now, if Katie clicked on this, again, she would get my email and be able to send me an email.
Working on that, maybe. Academic biography. Topics for media and culture.
Do you think I should add links to those? Do you think that'd be a good idea?
Yeah, it's not working there.
No.
This is the website that I have public right now. And this is the website that Katie looked at on my iPad. She kept trying to, in my academic biography, tap on each one of these writing classes that I've taken. Instead of just making them a list, though, I decided I did want to link them, because who doesn't like to tap anything on an iPad, really? And although they won't offer tons of information, I figure it would be nice for employers or whoever to see the overview of each one of these classes, which is what I intended on doing. And I've actually already done that. It's not public yet, but take a look at my index first of all. Now, if I go to my academic biography, as you can see, not only now are they in these white columns still, but I added the little arrows that really suggest you should click on them. So, for example, we could go to writing about literature. And then I have, the title writing about literature and this class ... meaning I'll later hopefully soon enough, I will add a paragraph or two explaining the class, maybe further links, and I don't know, options are endless. And I also figured that this gave me a good opportunity to put the back button in, which I hadn't done because I hadn't really gone deep into making all of these pages yet. But look at that. Back. Oh, because you wouldn't want to go home to the home page after this. You'd probably want to go back to this page so you can look at other classes. So as you can see, here's my website on the iPad, and it's in good working order. It's the home page. My academic biography. Let's try another one. Intro to literature. And also with a back button. Oh. So that works. And then let's go home and try my contacts. It has my Gmail account. And this is what happens on the iPad. But on a website, it actually... Oh, it does have welcome to mail. Well, that's good. And there's my website on the iPad.